Hello everyone! Welcome back to Design Churn Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be taking a look at some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. So this first one involves some cardboard, they have several pieces here and they're just kind of gluing them together. And then they have some kind of old container, gluing them around the container. Kind of doing like a fanned out motion. I think I've seen something similar being done with paper plates before, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, it's a vase. Okay, so I'm really surprised at the fact that they left this with just the cardboard color. But if you wanted to do like the same thing, you could and spray paint it like white or something like that. I think that would be really pretty. But this is a really cool and interesting concept. Definitely something different. So next up we have this candle wall sconce DIY. So they have a cutting board here, a glass jar, and some twine. This is actually a pretty simple project to replicate, nothing too complicated. Very beginner friendly, I would say. So we just saw them doing one at the beginning of the video. Oh, I like the little doodles they did there. That's cute. Well, you could do two and do like two wall sconces side by side. I think that would be pretty. So here we have a bunch of wooden photo frames, picture frames. And we already saw what they end up doing. They turned this into some type of a lantern. That is such a cool idea. This is actually a pretty simple project to do as well. I'm not sure where they got these photo frames from, but this is a really pretty color. And then they use like the little wooden pieces. Kind of like a garland type for the handle, wooden garland bead. Wow, that is so cool. I love this idea. Ooh, I'm kind of curious about that mirror that they have there. The background, that looks like something they may have DIY'd as well with some starfish. That looks really cool. So it looks like the next DIY involves a jar and some rope. I'm not quite sure what they're making. It looks like they're making the handle to something. Oh, maybe they're making a lantern too. Oh yeah, this is definitely another lantern design. Very cool. Oh, it's a vase, but this could totally be a lantern. I see it as a lantern. All right, and then we have some clay here, a mirror. Now this will be like a fun little like weekend project to do. And you can buy the clay already dyed, or you can paint it, dye it yourself. And looks like they're just doing the floral clay mirror trend. I actually kind of like the fact that they made their own colors. Like, they look so pretty and vibrant. Look at that. And it seems like it would add a little bit more fun to doing the project too. So pretty. Oh, and they even put like a little wording on there. That is nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.